Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn tree traversal and the way in which we can traverse the tree, that is pre-order, in-order and post-order. Also we can see shortcut method for traversal which helps you in exam to solve a question. It reduces the time compared to this existing method. So the most common operation performed on a tree structure is that of traversal. So what is traversing? What is traversal? It is a process by which we can visit and access each and every element present in any data structures like array, linked list or tree. So in computer science, traversal of binary tree refers to the process of visiting. It includes updating, retrieving or deleting each node in a tree data structure exactly once. So there are three ways of traversing a binary tree. First one is pre-order, second in order, and third one is post order. Let's see one by one. So in pre-order method, the root node is visited first, then the left subtree, and finally the right subtree. So first we have to process the root node. Okay, that's why here written root, left and right. So first we have to process the root node, then traverse the left subtree in pre-order, then traverse the right subtree in pre-order. So this procedure will be applied to each subtree of the tree recursively. Why it is written recursively? If I apply here root, left, right, this node also applied by first we have to process root, then left, then right. Okay. So first here we start from A, and following the pre-order traversal we first visit A itself and then move to its left subtree, that is B. Now B is also traverse pre-order. So the process goes on until all nodes are visited. Let's see one by one. First A will be traversed. Okay. So first we have to process the root node A. So A will be the answer here. Next we have to go to the left subtree. Left subtree is B. Once again we have to apply root, left, right, because we written here that traverse the left subtree in pre-order. Okay. So here also first we have to process the root node. So B is the answer. Okay. Next, once again we have to process the root node. So here root is already processed. Here also root is already processed. Here also now root is going to be processed. So C will be the answer. Now there is no left subtree and there is no right subtree. Is it clear? Left subtree is already processed. Now, is there any right subtree of B? No. So this is already processed. Okay, now we go to the right subtree of A. Is it clear? Now, once again, while we reach to D, we have to apply root, left and right. Okay, now we have to process root, that is D will be the answer. Okay, root is already processed. Now go to the left subtree. Left subtree, which node is there? E. Okay, once again we have to apply root, left, right. First we have to process this root. So the answer is E. There is no left subtree of E. Okay, there is a right subtree of E. So we have to go. We have to first process this F. Okay, root, left, right. Root is processed. Suppose F is the answer. There is no left tree. There is no right tree. Okay, so all the thing is processed. Now D left subtree is already processed. So now we are going to the right subtree of D. And once again apply root, left and right. Okay. So root is processed first. So which is our root? G. So G will be the answer. Okay. This is how we have to find the pre-order. There is a shortcut method that I will explain you at the last of these three methods. Okay. After completing the in order and post order. So simultaneously we are going to perform the pre-order of this tree which is asked in G2 examination. So for pre-order, first root will be processed, then left subtree and then right subtree. Here 8 will be processed first, so 8 will be the answer. Now we have to go to the left subtree. So root is already processed, left subtree is processing. Okay, so we reach to this 5. Okay, we have to process the root, so answer is 5. Now go to the left subtree. We go to the left subtree once again, root, left, right. Okay, we have to process this root. Answer is 9. There is no left child, there is no right child. Okay, now the node 5 have the right child also. Now we have to go to the right of 5. Is it clear? Now at the right there is 7. Once again we apply pre-order, that is root, left, right. So we have to first process root, so 7 will be the answer. Now go to the left subtree. Left subtree there is 1. Process the root. The answer is 1. There is no left subtree of 1. There is no right subtree of 1. So we go back and go to the right subtree of 7. Okay. When we reach to the right subtree of 7, there is a node 12. We have to process once again root. So answer is 12. Then left subtree. At left subtree once again we have to apply pre-order. Process the root. So answer is 2. Okay. There is no left tree. There is no right subtree. Okay. There is no left right subtree of 12. Now we go to the right subtree of 8. Is it clear? So when we go to the right subtree of 8, there is a node 4. We once again apply pre-order, that is root, left, right. Root will be processed first, that is 4. 4 will be the answer. Then left subtree, there is no left subtree. Go to the right subtree. When we process the right subtree, what is the answer? 11. At 11, once again we have to apply pre-order. Root will be processed first, so 11. Left subtree is there, yes it is. That is 3. First process the root, the answer is 3. There is no left child, there is no right child. Okay, there is no right child of 11. So what is the answer? 8, 5, 9, 7, 1, 12, 2, 4, 11 and 3. So the next traversal is Inorder Traversal. In Inorder Traversal, the root node is at the center. Okay, first we have to process the left subtree, then we have to first we have to traverse the left subtree, then we have to process the root node, and then we have to traverse the right subtree. Whenever we are going to process the root node, that will be our answer. Okay, so हर नोड पे अगर आपको ये लिखना है तो लिख सकते हो, अदरवाइज अगर आपके माइंड में है ऑलरेडी तो अगर ये आप ना भी लिखो तो भी कोई इशू नहीं. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू गो लेफ्ट. At left there is a node, that is B. Here also we have to apply in order. First go to the left, we go we reach to C. First go to the left, there is no left subtree. Now we are going to process the root node. So what is the answer? C first. Then go to the right subtree. There is no right subtree, so we process now this root, that is B. So B will be the answer. Now there is no subtree of B. Okay, there is no right subtree of B, so we cancelled it. Now we have to process this root. Okay, so what is the answer? A. Now go right. So right subtree, where we reached? We reached to node D. Once again we have to apply in order, that is left, root, right. First go to the left subtree. We reached at E. Once again we have to go to the left subtree of E. There is no left subtree. Now we have to process root. What is root? E. So E will be the answer. Now go to the right subtree. When we go to the right subtree, we reach to F. Okay, there is no left subtree of F. Process the root node. The answer is F. There is no right subtree of F. Now we are going to process this root node, that is D. So D will be the answer. Okay. Now go to the right subtree of D. When we go to the right subtree of D, we get G. There is no left subtree of G. Now process the root node. What is the root node here? G. So G will be the answer. There is no right subtree of G. So this is our final answer. Is it clear? So इन ऑर्डर में रूट बीच में होगा, डेट इज लेफ्ट रूट राइट. प्री ऑर्डर में रूट पहले होगा, रूट लेफ्ट राइट. और पोस्ट ऑर्डर में ऑब्वियसली क्या होगा? लास्ट में रूट नोड होगा. सो लेफ्ट, राइट एंड रूट. लेट्स सी दैट पोस्ट ऑर्डर. Before going to the post order, simultaneously we are going to solve this GTU ask question also. Okay, so what is the answer of in-order traversal of this particular tree? First go to the left, this left. Okay, we reach to the 5. Once again go to the left subtree, we reach to the 9. There is no left subtree, so process root node. What is the answer? 9. Go to the right subtree, there is no right subtree. Now we have to process the root node. Okay, what is the root node? 5. 5 will be the answer. Go to the right subtree of 5. When we reach to the right subtree of 5, we get 7. Go to left subtree of 7. Yes, there is one node on the left subtree. What is the left subtree of 1? Nothing. Now process the root node. So answer is 1. Go to the right subtree. There is no right subtree of 5. Now you are able to process this root node. So answer is 7. Go to the right subtree of 7. What we get? We get 12. Once again you have to write left, root and right. So go to the left subtree of 12. We get 2. What is the left subtree of 2? Nothing. Process the root node. Root node is 2. So answer is 2. Next, process the right subtree. There is no right subtree of 2. So we are going to process now root node of, that is 12. Okay. There is no right subtree of 12. So we cancelled it. Now we go to the root node, that is 8. So 8 will be the answer. So you have to follow the depth first search here. Like this we are going. Okay. Now go to the right subtree of 8. What is the right subtree of 8? 4. Go to the left subtree of 4. There is no left subtree. Now process the root node. So the answer is 4. Go to the right subtree of 4. When we reach to the right subtree, 11 is the root node. Again apply in order. There is a left subtree. Yes. It is 3. There is no left subtree of 3. Process the root node. So answer is 3. There is no right subtree of 3. Go upward and process this root node. So answer is 11. Okay. There is no right subtree of 11. This is our final answer. Now obviously in the post order traversal, what we have to do? First we have to traverse the left subtree, then right subtree, and then you have to process the root node. Whenever we are going to process the root node, that is our output. Okay, ये याद रखना, जब भी root node आएगा, that is our output, वो हमें लिखना है as a output. For example, अभी same graph, same tree में we are applying left, right, root. What is the left? We are first going, पहले हम कहाँ जाएंगे? Left subtree. Left subtree गए तो हमें क्या मिला? B. Once again we apply post order. That is LR root. Once again we are going to the left subtree. क्या मिला हमें? Node C. There is no left subtree. There is no right subtree. So we have to process the root node. Right now root node कौन है? C. So what is the answer? C. Clear? Now हम बैकवर्ड जाएंगे. B का कोई राइट सबट्री है? नहीं है. नाउ प्रोसेस द रूट नोड. रूट नोड क्या है हमारा? एट दिस प्लेस B. सो B विल बी द आंसर. सिमिलरली बैकवर्ड गए, अकॉर्डिंग टू DFS, गो टू द राइट चाइल्ड ऑफ A. ओके, हम जब राइट सबट्री पास गए तो हमें फिर से क्या मिला, डी मिला. Once again you have to apply post order, that is left right route. So when we reach to the D, first we have to go to the left child. Okay, left child में गए. Once again we apply post order. There is no left subtree, there is no, yes there is a right subtree, sorry. So go to first right subtree of E. What is the right subtree of E? That is F. F is a root node. Okay, there is no left subtree of F, there is no right subtree of F. Now process the root node. So what is the answer? F. Now going backward, process the root node, answer is E. Going backward, process the, first you have to go traverse the right subtree, then and only then you can able to process the root node. Okay, so what is the right subtree of D? This G. Once again we apply L R R0. There is no left subtree, there is no right subtree. Process the root node. What is the answer? G. Going backward, process this root node, answer is D. Going backward, process this root node, answer is A. Okay, so this is how we have to traverse the pre-order, in-order and post-order. Okay, first we solve that GTO example, and then we apply the shortcut method that reduce the time for traversing your pre-order, in-order and post-order. Okay, so what is the post-order of this tree? First we have to process left subtree, then right subtree, then root of it. First we go to the left, that is 5, we go left, 9, there is no left subtree, there is no right subtree, there is a root node. Okay, so process the root node, the answer is 9. Going backward, go to the right subtree. When we go to the right subtree, what is the answer? 7. Go to the left subtree, we go in here, we get 1. Go to the left subtree, there is no left subtree of 1, there is no right subtree of 1. Process the root node, so answer is 1. Okay, going backward, process the right subtree of 7. Right subtree of 7, there is a 12. Process the left subtree, we are going to the left subtree, we get 2. There is no left subtree of 2, there is no right subtree of 2. Process the root node, so answer is 2. Okay, now there is no right subtree of 12, so process this root node, so answer is 12. Going backward, process the root node, the answer is 7. Going backward, process the root node, answer is 5. Now going backward, go to the right subtree of 8. When we go to the right subtree of 8, what is the root node? 4. Once again we apply post order R left, right R0. There is no left subtree, there is a right subtree, we get 11. Okay, go to the left subtree first, we got 3. Go to the left subtree, there is no left subtree of 3, there is no right subtree of 3. Process this root node, so the answer is 3. Going backward, there is no right subtree of 11. Process the root node, the answer is 11. Going backward, process the root node, the answer is 4. Going backward, process the root node, the answer is 8. So this is the answer which will be asked in G2 examination. So it takes some amount of time. You have to write L R R0, then L R0 R in order, R0 L R in pre-order. There is one shortcut method. Let's see that particular method for same tree. Okay, it hardly takes 5 minutes to traverse the tree, and we get the pre-order, in-order and post-order. So how that shortcut method will be applied in this particular tree? First you have to draw these 3 lines in each and every node. Okay, this indicates pre-order, this indicates post-order, and this indicates in-order. Okay, बट आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है, ये इन ऑर्डर की जो लाइन है ना, अगर लेफ्ट चाइल्ड है उसका, तो ये प्री ऑर्डर और इन ऑर्डर के बीच से ही निकलना चाहिए। अगर किसी नोड का राइट चाइल्ड है तो पोस्ट ऑर्डर और इन ऑर्डर के बीच से ही निकलना चाहिए। अगर ये आपने गलत टिक मार्क कर दिया देन द होल आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग। सिमिलरली आप यहाँ चेक कर सकते हो नोड 4, ओके, नोड 4 का राइट सब ट्री है, ओके, राइट चाइल्ड है, तो कहाँ से निकल रहा है? पोस्ट ऑर्डर और इन ऑर्डर के बीच में से। अगर 4 का कोई लेफ्ट सब ट्री होता है यहाँ पे तो कहाँ से निकलना चाहिए? प्री ऑर्डर और इन ऑर्डर के बीच से ही निकलना चाहिए। दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मार्क दिस 3 लाइन्स, ओके। This first line indicates the answer in pre-order, this indicates the answer in order, and this right line indicate the answer. You have to write the answer in post order. Is it clear? Okay. अगर नहीं भी समझ आ रहा है अभी मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ उसे ट्रैवर्स करना, then you will easily. Okay. First we start with the root node, that is 8. कौन सी लाइन को टच कर रहा है ये? प्री ऑर्डर को। तो आंसर में यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो नीचे आंसर में मैं डायरेक्टली लिख दूंगा प्री ऑर्डर में 8। इज इट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ आई गो फ्रॉम टॉप टू डाउन एंड लेफ्ट टू राइट, इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू डीएफएस। कौन सी लाइन को टच हुआ? फर्स्ट प्री ऑर्डर, तो आंसर में क्या लिख दूंगा? 5। किसके आंसर में? प्री ऑर्डर में। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ which line will be touched? Pre-order. Okay, so answer is 9. Now in order में मुझे जाके लिखना है 9। Clear? Next post order में जाके मुझे लिखना है 9। Then in order में जाके क्या लिखना है? 5, because that line indicates in order. Clear? Pre-order में क्या लिखना है? 7। Pre-order में क्या लिखना है? 1। Then this line indicates in order, write 1 in order. This line indicates post order. Okay, so write 1 in post order. This line indicates in order, so write 7 in order. Then go to this pre-order. Okay, so 12 will be in the pre-order. Similarly 2 is in pre-order, 2 is in order as well, and post order as well. Okay, now this line connects to in order of 12, so 12 will be the answer in order. Then this is post order. Okay, post order 7, post order 5, in order 8, pre-order 4. Now this is important, इसका कोई लेफ्ट सब ट्री नहीं था, so I have to reach this in order. Okay, so in order we have to also we have to write 4. Then we reach to pre-order of 11. Okay, just a minute. We reach to pre-order of 11, so 11 will be the answer in pre-order. Pre-order 3, in order write down 3, post order write down 3, in order write down 11, post order 11, post order 4, post order 8. So you can verify the answer. The answer will be same. Okay, 8, 5, 9, 7, 1, 12, 2, 4, 11, 3 in a pre-order, 8, 5. Okay, the answer will be the same. So it takes hardly 5 minutes compared to we are applying on each and every node like L, R0, R. Okay, so try this with the shortcut method. You get all the answers in just 10 minutes. Okay, try that shortcut method, but also remember the algorithm. Algorithm says in pre-order first we have to process root node. In order first we have to process we have to check the left subtree, then root node, process the root node. And in post order first we have to go to the left subtree, then right subtree, and then process the root node. Okay, Hope you all understand the shortcut method. If there is any query, please contact me. Thank you.